So we're at the thrift store today, and our usual 5 or 6 people that always beat us here are there, but we're gonna go in. They open in about 5 minutes. We're gonna see what we can find. Looking for things to upcycle for the fall and also some Christmas decor, I think. And we're off to the races. Everybody always walks right past all the clothing. We'll see what we can find out in the yard area. Oh, that's cement. $4. We're all full on chairs and benches right now, but I found these old oak Cochrane style chairs and they're really sturdy. I couldn't pass them up for $8. If I was to make these right now by hand, I'd probably have to charge $1,000 for my labor and the wood. Anybody need an old organ?
When we're looking for Christmas, we are generally looking for nativities, Santas that we can paint, the pewter holders for stockings. Occasionally we'll find some vintage or antique Christmas balls, and today there just wasn't much of that.
Found this brass candlestick. I'm gonna look and see if I can find it a friend. It's only 75 cents.
You get that first sale, past holiday.
Okay.
State sale.
Yeah, you go from Holiday, you should go down the first road to the right.
So if you're going down...
Also no luck on finding what we like to call a thrift store marriage, where we find a jar or some sort of vase that we can put a lid on and match them together. Didn't see that today. I did, however, find this Anchor Hawking measuring bowl. I love stuff that measures: yardsticks, rulers, old vintage measuring cups. I'll always grab a cutting board that I just have to sand and don't have to cut out.
So I think that I actually found cooler stuff than Zeb.
I think you did too. This whole stand birdcage situation is awesome.
All the floral for $10. I feel like that's a steal. Plus, I'm always looking for artwork, and this is awesome. It's got great patina and age. That's fun. $3.
All I found was 2 chairs and 1 brass candlestick.
You got a few things.
There's a couple little things.
So I can't believe how cheap all this was. We got these 2 carts for under $60. I'd say that was a good day.
So far.
We're gonna hit up another thrift store because we need more smaller items.
We got a tip while we were at the thrift store about an estate sale down the street, so we had to go check it out. All right, so not much at the free yard sale, but what'd you get?
3 purple, I think they're like vintage stripy glasses, and I could never leave canning jars. And I've never seen a cur that's like square like that, so I thought that was pretty cool. And I always need safety pins, so there we go.
Thrift store number 2, we'll see how the luck goes in here.
I found 2 bird cages in one day. I don't like the greenery for most of this, but we're cool. It is a little beat up, but
that's okay.
Still winning.
This is $20.
$20 for what?
That tree.
3 bird cages in one day.
That actually might be the coolest. Is that tin on the top? Oh, nice. Apparently the word is out on what to get for the Christmas stuff at the thrift store, but it actually happens quite a bit. We don't find exactly what we're looking for, which is why we come to the thrift store at least once a week, sometimes 2.
Oh, those are cute.
There's 2 of them.
Yeah, they look kind of Swedish.
What about these finial ball things? Do you think we could paint those up for Christmas?
You can paint them for anything. Any color's better than what they got.
They're only $1.50 for that one. Let's see, what's the big one? $5 on that. 4 on that. Seems kind of high.
For the set of 3.
If they were like $1.50, 3 and 2, I'd do it.
With love and appreciation from your friends.
That works for anybody.
1969 to 1971. Apparently they were only friends for a few years.
Right there in front of you.
Stash them.
How much is it?
$1.50 each.
Do it.
Somebody really liked that kid.
Oh, look at this. It's got a chicken on it. It's a pot holder.
Oh, I like it.
Cast iron. I don't buy a lot of mugs. Sometimes Jamie does, but I typically don't really get that many of them. But I took a minute to go through the mugs today because it's the time of year when people are giving gifts, and personalized mugs can be a lot of fun. And I even found some Japanese pottery while I was going through the pile.
Sometimes when I'm thrifting, I like to look for shoes. I don't really know shoes that well, but I do know quality, and so I could tell these were really expensive wooden soles, all leather. They look to be possibly handmade. Looked them up, $120. And they're in really great shape, and I paid $8. We'll list them. If they never sell, my son's gonna wear these in about a year.
So this cart was a little bit more than the other cart was. It was $72, so more smaller items in this one though.
$131 and 2 thrift stores. I think we did pretty good.
Yeah, sometimes we end up with more than we need when we hit up 2 thrift stores, but I feel like this is about the right amount of stuff.
If you guys want to shop this thrift haul, make sure you don't miss our live Saturday thrift haul. We do them every Saturday night at 8:30 Mountain Time. We will drop the link below to our website if you want to shop past thrift hauls, and comment below with any questions you have about upcycling. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Jami Ray Vintage for more
DIY.